Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 28. And our prompts for this week is an ornate border or frame. I've got this frame. Steampunk. Oh, got two of them. Steampunk or mechanical. I've got this little steampunk girl from Marry Me Small Arts. Sheet music. I've got this sheet music. Something found in a garage. I've got this car. Something from mythology or legend, and I've got this black cat. And the bonus is a napkin, and I've got this napkin. I've already peeled apart the ply so that it's just a single ply. Got to take my tape off. All right, so I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Let me grab a book to glue on. And I'm gonna just put this down as background. Well, I hope everybody is warm enough. I know we're here in the South warm enough. I know y'all in the other hemisphere may be wanting a little of our warmth, but it has been kind of warm. I keep talking about thunderstorms, but we haven't gotten any rain yet. It's a little cloudy. It may mostly hit up in North Mississippi. All right. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I do know that I'm just wanting to use a bit of this. So I am going to take my water brush, and I am just going to go around that to get a bit of this flour out. And I'll save the rest. I don't use my napkins enough, and I really like them. Got some beautiful ones. All right, so I think I am just gonna put that down. It can be more background. I'm just gonna use glue stick on it. Glue stick seems to do pretty well with napkins. With my phone folder. I knocked that thing down once. I have a little shot glass, souvenir shot glass from some trip we took. And I need to get that out so I can stick my glue in it, or something that I can stick my glue in so it doesn't bang every time. It annoys me. I can imagine it annoys you. All right. Just kind of get rid of some of this here. All right. Now, we have got like that. Of course, now the napkin's gonna stick to my finger. And I thought about putting a kitty cat on top of the frame. He may, I don't know, he may look better down there. How they get these sweet black cats are, I like that. Black. 'Black. 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 ' I've had a couple of them, and they were just as sweet as they could be. All right, let's see here. Everything's falling on my desk. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. I did finally finish reading The Wizard's Butler. It was good. And I've started a new book. It's just a little short story. I can't remember the name. I've just started it. But I believe it was written by the same one one that wrote Mrs. Endicott. Adventure. There we go. Good grief. See if I can, I need to. This just does not want to work. It's been a couple of days since I've crafted. And I probably need to fill up my glue bottle. My husband and I have been watching Blue Bloods, and it is really good. We have really been enjoying it. I love the family dynamic. It's nice to have a family that respects each other. And I don't know how true it is. I'm not a huge fan of Netflix. We had it briefly, but it's just, I don't know, too woke, I guess, for lack of a better word. It's like, don't go out of your way to, you know, let's just watch TV. That's what we want to do. We want to enjoy a show without a whole lot of politicizing. But they are redoing Little House on the Prairie, and from what I understand, they are making it woke. And it's like, why? We've got enough stuff like that. Do we have to do that? Can't we just do it like it was meant to do? Meant to be. This is based off of true stories. Let's not change it too much. They did that with Anne of Green Gables with Anne with an E. Very idea of Anne going out and getting drunk with her schoolmates. Just don't see it happening. Okay, I'm sorry. And I forgot to lay my corners on this. I get off my soapbox. It's just, you've got so many shows and things that are like that. Just let us have something that's wholesome and traditional. These TV people, they like to take something that is good and change it up to where it's not good. Okay. Now, let's see. I have got my border and frame, my steampunk sheet music, found in a garage, mythology or legend, and my napkin. So I've got everything. So let's see what I want to do with it. I do want to draw around my steampunk girl. I like this pen. It's a Sharpie. And I know my friend Maggie said that she had, hers seemed to be skipping. And I noticed that, you know, when you get these pens, it's got a little cover on the ballpoint. And if you don't, you have to pull that cover off when you get it to get it to write. And if you don't get all of that stuff off, because it can break, that will make it skip. So, or you could have gotten a bad one, but I've never had that problem. But I have had the nib there cover break off before. So I just thought I would share that. And I'm going to go around my kitty cat, although I don't know if it'll, I think it'll help it. He's black anyway. Sweet baby. And maybe my frame. Oops. And now for my splatters. All right. Just gonna go with it. So I've got everything. I've already went over that. And so I think that I am finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked my collage. It was a lot of fun to do. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026CWP28 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.